English Tagalog po pwede.
Oo. Wait lang, ipo-connect ko dito. Para synchronize. Ayan. Diyan.
Huwag mo na may asap pa. Pwede tumingin dyan sa ano? Dyan sa... kailangan nakatingin.
Sabi. Mic. One, two, three, test. Good day everyone, my name is Borge Rudolph A. Momo from CPE 11S1 and today I'm gonna ask my dad questions of how college technology was accessible back then. One, two, three. So for the first question, when you graduated from college, what are the products or services that were available in your everyday lives that were not available to you back then?
Good morning. First of all, I want to introduce myself. I am Robert B. Momo, currently police officer by profession, assigned at Marikina Soco office. Well, the available today that is not available in my previous years in previous years in college is the use of laptop, cell phone gadgets, another is the use of computer software application that is very important for today. Well, sa time namin na marami kaming mga ginagawang programs dahil ang course ko po is I'm taking up computer science. But the use of application way back then is today is much much high tech and also user friendly than the previous way back in my school college days.
Ano ba yung ano yun? Thank you for ano?
Thank you for the answer.
Okay, thank you for that answer. Moving on from... Okay, thank you for the answer. Moving on for the second question. Do you ever imagine that these products or services such as cell phones and computers would be available today?
For me, I noticed that this application and software available today can be developed much what do you call that, mas mapapa-enhance ng mga computer analysts, mga people involved in computer programming. Like they create a program like in online transaction, they use a program like use in GCash. So mapapadali lahat mga transaction natin involving online transaction. Also the use of Google for today na marami tayong information na makikita. Lahat ng mga programming by the use of AI and artificial intelligence, we can easily research what we call the information gathered from AI. That's all.
Okay, thank you for the detailed answer. So for our last question, how did these products makes your...
Hindi pala dapat yung number 3 pala yung ano. Okay lang yun.
How did these products make your everyday life better?
Pali ako number 3 yung sagot ko ngayon. Dapat napunta ka number 2.
Okay, thank you for that detailed answer. Now for our last question, how did these products make your everyday life better?
Okay. As I said, as I said, for the second question, transaction can be made easier. Like yung pag-use ng online transaction, paggagamit ng mga, halimbawa po, yung mga application na lumalabas ngayon. Halimbawa, itong GCash, online transaction po yan. It involves money. Eh, it involves yung waste of time. Mas mapapabilis lahat ng mga transaction natin. Another is ang pagkakaroon ng mga, siyempre yung mga schooling ng mga computer analyst. Madami pa silang may invent or may create na programs. Mas nakakatulong sa panahon ngayon. Siguro by the time na by the time na marami silang ma-create na program, yun po yung technology na inaasahan natin na magagamit natin sa future generation. Yun lang po.
Tapos, conclusion.
Ayos na to. Yun naman talaga eh. Tama ba yung sagot ko? Mas mali yung sagot ko dun sa ano, mas tama ngayon. Ha?
Parehas na? Conclusion. Hindi, yung ano, tapos. Thank you for the time.
Tapos another, may sasuggest ka pa na
Hindi, 2 minutes lang eh.
hindi okay na yan. Thank you for the information na being gathered to you. Then, may parang tapos na, kakain na.
Okay, thank you for the time. Thank you for
The information. And
Okay, thank you for the time and the information you provided me for the day. And for my conclusion, saan ko nagagawa? Okay na yan, tapos na. Ako lang mag-isa daw.
yun lang pala mag-isa. Tapos wala na ako. Set
Ah.
mo na lahat. Ayun lang pala gagawin.
Gumawa na rin sa approve. Resolve therefore that the sa manager mula sa association. Further they have the approve and adopt the above provisions. So finally, the association will organize for all ang mga
Sino na gagawin? Yung presidente na? Yung presidente na?
Approve.
Ah? Yun?
Hindi, yung sa ano, yung sa final ano.
Sino nagsabi? Yung sumasagot
Implementation
sa'yo?
of resolution shall take effect 15 days upon dissemination of the contact resolution of anong Commerce Members General Assembly Meeting.
Sino nagsabi na?
Hindi, yung sulat ni ano. Land District, the policy in track and
Yung sabi nila, yung mga Muna nila hindi na yung board resolution na kasi pagbukan. Lalo mo sa board resolution, hindi yung pinagputukan. Ang mag-a-agree mo.
Pagkagawa lang nila ngayon eh, kasi nakanotaryo September 18.
Hindi, kaya na. Sakto lang mga sinabi ko.
Wait lang, gusto na ako magmalitan.
Ha?
Last one po. Reflecting on my dad's answers, it's clear that technology has changed a lot since his college days. Back then, things like smartphones, laptops, and tablets weren't available. But now they are. He expected these changes because technology and artificial intelligence keep moving and improving. For me as a first-year engineering student, this means that I have powerful tools and resources that I can make learning and working easier. I can quickly find information online, use advanced devices for my studies, and handle transactions smoothly with new technology. This shows how important it is to keep learning and adapting to new technologies, which will help me in my future career as a computer engineer. No. Wait lang. Wait lang.
Ikat mo na yun.
Wait lang. Ito na. This shows how important it is to keep learning and adapting to new technologies, which will help me significantly in my future career as a computer engineer. Boom!
Tapos na?